Hello, just making this quick video just to share my progress with AG Grid. So I've managed to make it work with WeWeb and Xano. So where basically when you're using this grid, it's dynamic basically. It has the benefits that AG Grid brings to the table. And if I make edits, those edits are reflected in the database that this table is loading the data from. So if I look at this, what this is actually a coded component. And there's other ways to do this. And one of those ways is to have it actually be a regular component and have the actions. If I come into here and I look at the workflows, you can interact basically, and it just approach this in a different way. The way that I'm showing right now absorbs a bit more complexity than the other way. So in this example, because this is a coded component, we can specify exactly what we want the table data to be by just associating it with the collection data from here. And we can define what we want our column definitions to be. We can specify if we want the user to be able to edit it or not. And we can specify where we want to actually pass updates to. So this is where we would put our Xano endpoint that handles those updates. And that's it. So after you set that up, you'll have the grid being rendered on the page and able to interact with it this way. So yeah, like I mentioned, it uses Xano to handle the backend functionality. And here's just a quick look at it. You can see, so this is the data that we're interacting with. And you can see like these are the changes I've been making. So it's being updated in real time. And so it's just a nice experience for the user. And this grid can be taken much further in the design. And I have other examples of that I'm working on. And then there's a couple of endpoints, one for pulling in the data, and the other one is for updating the data like we just went through. And that's it. So like I said, there's a couple ways to approach it. But in general, I cover this topic in my community. And that's what I'm working on with, building out these components and providing the documentation to explain how stuff like this works. So breaking down how the component actually functions and trying to provide an explanation that's approachable, and also comes with the pre-built components, so the snippets and everything, so that you can actually have a working solution and have also the documents to go through it as well. And so that's it. Just thanks for watching. And if you're interested, please, join the Snappy community. Would be a pleasure to meet with you. And that's it. There should be a link in the comments. So just check out the comments and there'll be a link there to learn more. Thank you.